Farewell party is not just a token, but it's a family function, I would say, because SMS is a family, and the students are the member of this family, and this bonding would be for the lifelong time. My best wishes are always there for you. All the best. Enjoy the party. Thank you.
This is a moment which is having the feeling of prideness for you. You people have made us pride. You people have given so much lovely memories to us. I have been associated to you for a long time, but at the same time, we are departing for the betterment. You all will move towards your career-oriented path. Always be in touch. From today onwards, I may not be taking your classes, I may not be contacting you, I may not be in direct touch to you, but remember always that you will always be close to me. Thank you.
Hello, our BCS students. Now we are in an Indian approach, and I'm very emotional to hear about now your juniors are going to be celebrate your farewell. I hope and pray and bless with from my side. Wherever you will be in a best position, and my side is best wishes for you.
तो 8 मई को बीसीए के बच्चों का फेयरवेल होने जा रहा है। तो जहाँ भी जाइए ज़िंदगी में मेरी बेस्ट वेल विशेज है आपके साथ। और एक बात के साथ ख़त्म करूँगा कि काहे डरे के है ज़िंदगी में, काहे डरे के है ज़िंदगी में, कुछ न मिली तो तजुर्बा तो मिली। चलो इसी के साथ सबको ऑल द बेस्ट।
Although I did not teach any subject to these students, but I do share a deep bond with all of them. I got to know many of the students through NSS, and later on gradually we started having deeper bonds. And I would especially like to mention few of the students, final year students, to name few of them: Suhani, Soumya, Srishti, Satvik, Ariba, Vaibhav, all of them, they were very active NSS students, and I will specially acknowledge Soumya and Suhani's name, because at times I needed some work done at 11 p.m. and I could comfortably text them and get that work done within few minutes. So I would like to convey my heartfelt wishes to all of them for a brighter future. And yes, you will be missed.
I hope that even after leaving this college, you will always remember, you will be remembered as the alumni of this college SMS, and hope this bonding will further strengthen. One thing I would like to say in the last: aim high, think tall, shoot for the moon. If you will fail to do so, you will land among stars. So my best wishes are with you. Thank you.
BCA batch 2022-25. As we reach your BCA course end, I would like to express my sincere gratitude for joy and learning we have shared together. Your dedication, curiosity and growth have been truly inspiring. I wish you best of luck for your future endeavor.
BCA 6 के सभी बच्चों को मेरी तरफ से ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। आप सभी लोगों का फेयरवेल 8 मई को आप लोग खूब एंजॉय करें, लाइफ में आगे बढ़ें और हमेशा हैप्पी रहें।
Hello BCA 2022-2025 batch. Many congratulations for reaching the milestone of becoming a graduate. You all have been very supportive batch. जहाँ भी जब भी मुझे कोई भी चीज़ की ज़रूरत पड़ी है, BCA 2022-25 batch हमेशा मेरे साथ खड़ा रहा है, and I'm proud to be your course co-coordinator. हर जगह आप लोगों ने BCA का नाम बनाया है, and आगे भी I hope आप इसी तरह BCA and School of Management Sciences का नाम आगे बढ़ाएंगे. Many congratulations and all the best for your life.
To all the BCA final year students, farewell is never easy, but you all have to move forward for the ample number of opportunities that awaits you. And the best part is that you all were my first ever batch in SMS, so you will always have a special place in my heart. And rest, all the best. My blessings are always with you.
My heartiest congratulations to all the BCA students for the point where we have gathered together here for your farewell. Best of luck for your bright future, and also I am very thankful that you all came into my life, and from which I have learned so much. And I also hope that you all be reaching the new heights of your life. Thank you so much. Best of luck.